My name is Melfi Gonzalez. I've been a CASA volunteer for 7 years here in Eddy County. And CASA stands for Court Appointed Special Advocate. And I advocate on behalf of abused and neglected children in this area. And what that means is I am not a lawyer, I'm not a social worker, but I advocate for the children that have been brought into the foster care system either because of abuse or neglect. And I go before the court and tell them if that child can come up and say, if they were old enough to be present in the court, what they would want and what they would tell the court. Like I said, I'm a volunteer. I'm actually a real estate agent and insurance agent, so I do this just on a volunteer basis because it's so important. These children need somebody to speak on their behalf. And when they come into the system, many times they can have different foster families that they are put into. So they might go from one foster family to another, or they might have start with one social worker and then get transferred to another. And their social worker may have 15 or 20 cases that they're dealing with, whereas I just deal with one case at a time. So I'm with that child or children, if it's a brother and sister situation, and deal with them from the time that they come into the system all the way until the time that they find their forever family, whether that's that they go back to their family that they've been taken from, or whether it's they've been adopted. But I'm the one constant in their life in that time when they're brought into that system. So I'm their confidant. I'm the one that listens to them when they've got a problem. I'm the one that encourages them to do good in school. I'm also the one that goes and talks to their teacher and sometimes gets on to them when they misbehave. But I do then I make a report and go before the court and talk before the judge and tell them if so-and-so could be here, this is what they would like to do and this is what they'd like to see in their life, and give them a voice in that court. And it's very challenging at times. Sometimes it can be very sad, but at other times it's very rewarding. They're so excited to see you when you come to visit them. And it's just, if you have the opportunity to do it and you've got some time, some free time during the week, I would ask you to consider becoming a CASA volunteer.